History of Budgies, narrating by Budgies Tips. The Budgeraga, Bdrr, Re, Bujrih gar, Re. 3. Melasiticus undulatus, also known as the common parakeet, shell parakeet or budgie, is a small, long-tailed, seed-eating parrot. Budgie, Buje, 3, 4, or in American English, the parakeet. Budgies are the only species in the genus Melasiticus. Naturally, the species is green and yellow with black, scalloped markings on the nape, back, and wings. 5. Budgies are bred in captivity with coloring of blues, whites, yellows, grays, and even with small crests. 5. 6. Juveniles and chicks are monomorphic, while adults are told apart by their cere coloring and their behavior. Please subscribe tips. Please subscribe Budgies Tips. The species is the only member of the genus Melasiticus, which is the only genus in the Melopsithaceae tribe. The origin of the Budgeraga's name is unclear. First recorded in 1805, Budgeragas are popular pets around the world due to their small size, low cost, and ability to mimic human speech. They are likely the third most popular pet in the world, after the domesticated dog and cat. 7. Budgies are nomadic flock parakeets that have been bred in captivity since the 19th century. In both captivity and the wild, Budgeragas breed opportunistically and in pairs. They are found wild throughout the drier parts of Australia, where they have survived harsh inland conditions for over 5 million years. Their success can be attributed to a nomadic lifestyle and their ability to breed while on the move. 8. The Budgeraga is closely related to lories and the fig parrots. 9, 10, 11, 12.